Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a nightgown out of 2 t-shirts. You could also make this to be a dress, but I find that it fits better as a nightgown just because I think it's more comfortable. And so yeah, you can make it to be a dress or a nightgown or whichever one you like. For this DIY, you will need a sewing machine, 2 t-shirts. I got my t-shirts from Dollar Tree, but you can use old ones that you have and upcycle them if you would like. And a pair of scissors. First, you're going to take your t-shirts and determine which one you want to use as the top of the t-shirt, dress, or nightgown. I decided to use the navy blue shirt, so the one that you decide to use on the top, you're going to cut the bottom seam off of the bottom of the shirt. Next, what you're going to do is, with the shirt that you have decided to be the bottom of your nightgown or dress, make sure that it's laying completely flat on your surface, and you're going to cut from underneath this armhole to underneath this armhole so that it's a completely straight line. Next, what you're going to do is take the top of your nightgown, and with the bottom part of the nightgown, you are going to put it so that the top shirt goes through this part that you've cut for the bottom of the nightgown, and that it goes through it like this, and that the bottom seams line up like this. So, here is the top part of the nightgown. It is laying right side out, and then the bottom part of the nightgown is turned inside out and it is laying over the shirt so that the bottom part of the nightgown goes completely around the shirt. Now what you're going to do is just pin these 2 seams together all the way around just like that. So I have it pinned down at the bottom here so that both of the shirts have been pinned together, but that you're able to stick your hand all the way through there. See, the top part of the dress or nightgown is turned right side out, but the bottom part of the dress or nightgown is turned inside out over this shirt. Now it's time to sew. Next, put your nightgown on your sewing machine so that you are in position to sew along where you have pinned. Be sure that both the sides of your nightgown are not being sewn together on your sewing machine. Make sure that you're sewing them with the bottom part like wrapped around your sewing machine so you're not sewing them together. I am just using a simple running stitch to sew mine, and I find that that works best. So you're just going to start sewing. Be sure to remove your pins as you go. I like to sew around the base of the nightgown 2 times, that way you make sure that it's nice and sturdy. Once you've come all the way around twice, remove the nightgown from your sewing machine. Okay, and here's the big reveal. I'm turning the bottom of the nightgown to the right side out again. There we go, and see how there's such a nice clean stitch right there? You can't tell, and it looks so nice. I hope that this video was helpful. This was the first video that I've done that has involved sewing, so if you like that kind of video and would like to see more just simple sewing projects, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments. I hope that you guys have a wonderful week. I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye!